Hey, crypto-curious Canadians. Lately, I kept running into chatter about a new AI-driven crypto trading platform. Whether it was Telegram discussions, YouTube reviews, or even deep-dive Reddit threads. My curiosity finally got the better of me, so I decided to give it a shot. The verdict? Arbivex seriously impressed. If you've been wanting to explore crypto, but felt discouraged by overly complex platforms or tools that promise big but underdeliver, you're not alone. I've tried plenty myself. Some looked polished, but when the market moved, they fell flat. Then I discovered something different. Arbivex. Unlike traditional trading platforms, Arbivex is a fully automated AI system created specifically with Canadian users in mind. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any previous experience in trading or crypto. And here's the kicker. I've got an exclusive invite link that unlocks a private welcome bonus not available to the public. It's a limited-time offer for early users, so if you're curious, don't wait too long, link in the description. So what makes Arbivex worth trying? First off, it's 100% hands-free. The AI constantly monitors global crypto markets 24/7, identifies profitable opportunities, and executes trades on your behalf. No need to stare at charts or stress over timing the market. Real user results? Some Canadians have reported daily gains ranging from 150 to 400 Canadian dollars, with monthly returns climbing as high as 70% in certain cases. Of course, it all depends on market conditions. Nothing's guaranteed, but once set up, Arbivex does the heavy lifting. Security? No shortcuts. Arbivex prioritizes safety, using bank-grade encryption, rigorous KYC AML procedures, and secure cloud infrastructure to keep your assets and personal data protected. Getting started is simple. It syncs with major crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Just connect your wallet, turn on the AI, and you're ready to go. And if you ever need help, their Canada-based support team is available around the clock. Now, that invite link I mentioned, it doesn't just unlock access, it gives you bonus tools, upgraded features, and a welcome credit to help you hit the ground running. What really blew me away, though, is how smart the AI actually is. It's not just following static indicators, it adapts in real time, learning from the market using advanced machine learning. The more it trades, the sharper it gets, with no input needed from you. You're still in full control, though. You can customize risk preferences, set stop-loss rules, and choose which crypto pairs the AI trades. So even though it's automated, you're always behind the wheel. And yes, Arbivex is fully legit. It was built by a team that knows the Canadian financial ecosystem inside and out. They're upfront, security-conscious, and even offer live onboarding sessions, something you rarely see in the crypto world.